In 2025, digital marketing trends are expected to prioritize personalized content, AI-driven strategies, and immersive experiences to engage consumers in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. Staying updated with the latest trends in the English language is crucial for effective communication and staying relevant in a globalized world. Language evolves over time, and being aware of new words, phrases, and grammatical structures helps in maintaining fluency and clarity in communication. Personalization in digital marketing involves tailoring content and messaging to individual users based on their preferences, behavior, and demographics. This creates a more engaging and relevant experience for consumers, leading to higher conversion rates and customer satisfaction. Voice search technology has revolutionized the way people interact with digital platforms, impacting digital marketing strategies significantly. Marketers now need to optimize their content for conversational, long-tail keywords to align with the natural language used in voice searches. The rise of video content and immersive experiences has revolutionized the way we consume digital media. From interactive 360-degree videos to virtual reality experiences, users are now able to engage with content in a more immersive and engaging way. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, are revolutionizing the marketing industry by providing immersive and interactive experiences for consumers. AR enhances the real-world environment by overlaying digital information, while VR creates a completely simulated environment. Both technologies offer unique opportunities for brands to engage with their audience in innovative ways, such as virtual product demonstrations, immersive brand storytelling, and interactive advertising experiences. Social commerce has revolutionized the way businesses interact with consumers, leveraging digital communities to drive sales and brand engagement. The influence of social commerce and digital communities has reshaped the traditional retail landscape, creating new opportunities for personalized marketing and customer interaction. As data privacy regulations become more stringent, digital marketing strategies will need to be reevaluated to ensure compliance and respect for consumer privacy.